How to share Notion page with another person. So let's say I want to share this page called ASD. What I can do is hover my mouse on top of the page name and click on the three dot over here. Now you can also click on the three dot over here of the page, doesn't matter. But let's say I will just click on this one. And then I will just click on this option over here called share. Now if you don't see share over here, it's most likely going to be at the top, because sometimes like from the newer update, it's over here. So you can click on this share. And over here, you need to type the email. So you can create Notion using your email. So enter the email of the person to whom you want to send an invite. Now, once you write the email is going to come up over here. Click on this circle right beside the email to select the one to which you want to share the page with, and its name will appear over here like this. Click an invite. Now, just like this, a request has been sent. Now, if the person accepts it, he will be able to use or access this page. That's how you guys can share a Notion page. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.